How to use Leonardo AI to create stunning images in few minutes. Part 1. Registering an account and accessing the image creation interface on Leonardo. First of all, visit the Leonardo AI website and sign up for an account. Here, you can fill in your information using the provided form to register an account, or you can sign up quickly using your Gmail, Apple, or Microsoft account. In this guide, we will use a Gmail account. Part 2. Exploring the interface and basic features. Once you have logged into your Leonardo account, you will be directed to the main interface of the tool. Here, there are important sections you should familiarize yourself with. First is the community feed, which showcases products created by the community. You can use this to find inspiration for your own creations. Next is the personal feed, where all the products you create on the Leonardo platform are stored. In the top left corner is the number of tokens you can use to create images. You will receive 150 free tokens and get a refill daily. Next is the most crucial feature, image generation, where you will creatively generate images using your own input. Part 3. Exploring your creative space. On the left-hand column, you can configure image settings, such as the number of images generated at once, image dimensions, and other features. These settings will affect the number of tokens you will spend each time you click the Generate button. In the middle of the screen is where you enter prompts to describe the images you want to create. Additionally, there is an Add Negative Prompt feature that allows you to exclude unwanted data from your image. To use it, click the button next to it, and a dialog box will appear. In this example, we will set the number of images to 2 and the image size to 512x 1024 pixels to create images. Part 4. Creating your first image. Now let's go ahead and create our first image. Currently, I want to create an image of a man standing in the city at night. I will write a prompt describing the desired characteristics in the image with a cinematic style. Next, I will add undesirable elements to the negative prompt section. Then click Generate. Wait for a moment, and you will have the desired image. Next, I feel that the man looks a bit lonely, so I want him to go on a date with a girl. I will modify the prompt a bit, add the girl next to the guy, and set the scene in a restaurant. Alright, now we can see that he is happier with a girlfriend by his side. After their meal, if I want this couple to continue being together and drive around the city, I will change the prompt's descriptive elements to create the desired image. Final step, saving your images. If you have found the image you want, you can download it for immediate use. Part 5. Tips for effective use. 1. Practice and experiment. Be specific in describing what you want in your prompt. The more detailed your description, the more surprising results you will receive. 2. Creativity and innovation. Use Leonardo AI as a tool to expand your creativity. Don't hesitate to challenge yourself with new and unique ideas. Experiment with different prompts and settings. You'll surely find interesting outcomes this tool can offer. If you found this video helpful, please click like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see the latest videos. Thanks for watching.